Hi everyone, let's create together new ornament for our Christmas trees. So we're starting with covering our base, but because I want to make this really nice nude base, but you can see it's not ideal, so I'm making another layer when first one dried out, and we'll wait until it's dried again. And after that, we can start preparing for the Christmas. As you can see, it's really nice. And we can start with, first of all, creating marks. You can definitely paint without those, but this will help us a little bit to make these lines a little bit precise. Materials in the description box below. So first, oval shape, but you can definitely do just classic one. I'm making with Toffee, and I'm walking around with light Mocha, just small dots like that, as you can see. And after that, I'm making small strokes with, as the color is Almondine, like that, just around towards the center of our small mandalas, like that. And the next one, still small strokes, starting a little bit lower with Toffee, really nice color, just around. The next one, I will use my custom color, and you can find all materials in description. Just walking like that, just around and starting, as you see, a little bit lower. The next one, I'm coming back to Toffee again. Yeah, definitely removing our all drops of air in our materials. And coming back to Toffee again. And again, making small strokes around like that. Just creating two nice flowers. The next one, I'm again coming back to light Mocha color, and I'm making small strokes around, just on the top, to make it just a little bit nicer, like that. And we are moving our strokes towards the center, like that. And next one again with our first custom color, making really nice, not too wide, but really nice strokes, like that. This color is really shiny, so it's nice for Christmas tree and decoration. And next one, Almondine again. You see, I'm using the same brush, but really depends on material also, what exactly how your strokes will look like. And Toffee again. I did choose a little bit wider brush for this last one. Really make good one strokes like that. Try to do this as similar as you can. Like that. We need to wait until it's dried, and we can after that place more dots. But with this space we can work like that from the beginning. I'm using my custom color, shiny one. when everything dry out, I'm using white pearl, but you can definitely find what you can find. As I understand, not everybody can find these particular ones. Choose white or pearl, like really nice light ones. And as you can see, I'm placing this, and over there small ones. And we're done. So definitely wait until this side will completely dry out, and after that you can start with another side. Really nice and beautiful. From the other side, let's create a little bit another pattern. I'm using the same colors and materials. At the center, I'm leaving some space like that for 3 drops later on. I'm creating with color Toffee 4 middle size 5-6 millimeters dots like that. And after that, I'm creating small dots, as you can see on the video, with my first custom color. And after that, I'm walking around with a light Mocha small 1.5 millimeter dots. Like that. Leave some space between these big dots so you can walk around after that, because all these small details making really our total picture much more interesting. Moving forward, what I'm gonna do, I want to create more big dots like that. You can see with a little bit bigger tool or similar that we just used, and the color is the same, Toffee, like that, just 4. And I will try to create similar pattern, but obviously not the same one. I added a lot of paint on the top to make it like visible from the surface. And again, I wanna walk around with dots the similar way as we just did, like that. I will use a light Mocha color and just walk around like that. You can experiment with another colors, maybe create more custom colors. Just use your imagination and go with the flow. I'm trying to place a little bit more paint. Just be careful, because after everything dried out, it looks really nice and visible, all these small details. Like that. And let's play a little bit with the strokes now. I waited until everything dried out so I can do not risk with these dots. And I'm choosing again small brush and Almondine color and making small strokes around like that. You see, I'm making these flowers really open, just around like that. You can see camera is playing with the light. It's now winter, so natural light not so bright, so just trying to explain you why it's just jumping. colors and a little bit wider brush, not too big. And our first custom colors, making a little bit more shiny strokes around like that. As I said, because I waited and all my dots dried out, it's like a little bit like less risk, and you can remove easily if you don't like your strokes or something didn't happen that you liked or wished for. And again, coming back to our 3 drops, I'm placing drops on the center of these small, on these big dots, and between flowers like that. And I'm making small tails going down towards the center like that. This way we are easily playing with the space between flowers, and small ones over there, and definitely at the center. Remove all bubbles if you see ones, and that's it, it's ready. So hope you enjoy this painting, hope you enjoy these celebrations, this video, and see you on next one.